Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the right account and reliable location data. Open Google Maps and sign in, then turn on location and set high accuracy so GPS and Wi-Fi combine. Once done, choose the correct workflow, your business for verified listings, or add a missing place for a new PIN. Make sure the visible PIN corresponds to your exact address. Tap the business or marker and select the option to verify, because that begins the verification process. Next, you'll follow Google's presented methods. Pick the one available for your account. If instant verification appears, accept it for fastest result. Otherwise, request a postcard, phone call, email, or video appointment. Enter precise address formatting and add photos of signage and interior to support your claim. If you choose postcard, note the expected delivery window and confirm mailing address. If phone or email is offered, answer promptly. These details reduce delay. To finish, enter the verification code you receive exactly as shown. Submit it, and then confirm the listing status in the Google My Business dashboard. If the postcard fails to arrive, wait the recommended window, then request a resend or switch to phone or video if available. Make sure you own the account that manages the listing and remove duplicates that confuse Google. If verification still stalls, review address placement and supporting photos. Then contact support through the help options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.